We are in Sardinia, at the center of the Mediterranean. Here, 3,000 years ago, the Nuragic civilization flourished, known worldwide for its uniqueness. And here, in the Sinis, on the western side of the island, the Giants of Mont'e Prama were discovered, the largest stone sculptures of Mediterranean proto-history. The Mont'e Prama Foundation, established by the Ministry of Culture, the region of Sardinia, and the municipality of Cabras, was created with the aim of protecting and studying this cultural heritage, while at the same time generating economic and identity value. The foundation has been entrusted with the management of the entire Sinis Natural Archaeological Park, an integrated system that includes 7 different sites: the archaeological area of Mont'e Prama, the Giovanni Maronghiu Civic Museum, the ancient city of Tharos, the Spanish Tower, the early Christian church of San Giovanni, the Hypogeum and church of San Salvatore, and the Nuraghe Canevadosu. 7 places, different in period and function, yet united within a single cultural system that tells a story spanning millennia. Scientific activities are developed across all the sites of the Sinis Natural Archaeological Park, considered as an integrated territorial system. Excavation, study, documentation, and research activities are conducted according to shared scientific criteria, in dialogue with academic institutions and research centers. The study of recovered materials proceeds through systematic analysis, cataloging processes, and specialized investigations. Infrastructure activities are an essential component of the protection and enhancement project for the managed sites. In the archaeological area of Mont'e Prama, works have been initiated for the construction of fencing, utility systems, and lighting to create suitable conditions for excavation activities. Services supporting research and visitor reception are also being strengthened to accommodate researchers and students. Additional interventions concern the area of Tharos and visitor services, with the construction of new facilities for entrances, ticketing, bookshop, and refreshments. At the Maronghiu Civic Museum, new exhibition areas dedicated to the giants have been created, and the internal visitor route has been redesigned. Outside, a park has been developed, adding value and aesthetic quality to the area. With the Mont'e Prama link, a shuttle service connecting the railway system with our sites, accessibility is improved and sustainability is promoted. Finally, the Foundation has established a stable operational structure for which offices and dedicated facilities are currently being developed. Outreach activities represent one of the main tools through which the Foundation makes the archaeological heritage of the Sinis accessible to the public and strengthens its recognition at national and international level. A central role is played by the festivals promoted by the Foundation, featuring conferences, presentations, debates, and performances. The statues of the Giants of Mont'e Prama travel widely through temporary exhibitions and loans to museums and cultural institutions in Italy and abroad, increasing the visibility of the Mont'e Prama project. Educational activities for schools are also important, with dedicated programs and guided tours. Even the magazine Topolino has published a story inspired by the Giants of Mont'e Prama, in which the main character and his friends experience an adventure in the Nuragic world. Partnerships with Cagliari Calcio, Dinamo Basket, and the Internazionale di Tennis are also part of the Foundation's outreach activities. A study by Human Foundation has measured the results generated by the activities of the Mont'e Prama Foundation on the territory, local communities, and the economic system.
According to the study, between 2021 and 2024, the Foundation's activities generated a steadily increasing flow of visitors, reaching over 191,000 in 2025, and producing a total value of approximately €155 million over the 4-year period.
A clear figure that confirms the role of cultural heritage as a driver of economic development for the territory. The many activities carried out by the Foundation and the figures that certify the results achieved are the clearest demonstration that, starting from the value of a unique cultural heritage, it is possible to generate wealth for an entire community, strengthen its identity, and create development opportunities for all.